Namaste everyone. You are watching Yoga with Thakur Anand Yogi. My friends, today I'm going to teach you yoga with ball. Friends, there are many kinds of the ball, but I chose this ball because as you can see, there are so many darts. Why? Because this ball, when you're going to practice, is really good for our back muscle to make them more flexible in therapeutic ways, really very helpful. So for that, my friend, I'm going to turn my side to show you first. Okay, as you can see, okay, so first catch the ball with the hands. So we need to fix the ball just for the low back, especially. Okay, as you can see, there is no gap. Okay, okay, adjust the ball, then sit here. Now please join your hands. Make sure yourself is relaxed and calm. Observe your breath here, and then slowly inhale, then exhale. One more, inhale, then exhale. Now one time on chanting, inhale, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Relax yourself. Prepare yourself to practice with the ball mentally. Then rub your palms on your eyes gently. And slowly open your eyes with your blinkings. And then inhale, bring the hands over the head, look up, okay? Then exhale, bring hands back as the ball, okay? Look down, adjust the ball. Then inhale, bring hands up, or maybe you can bring your hands over the head. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, bring the hands over the head, hands together. Exhale, slowly hands down, catch the ball, touch into chest. Then inhale, bring hands over the head. And then exhale, catch the ball, separate fingers still, adjust the ball. Inhale, and the last time, bring hands over the head. Maximum stretch your hands over the head, arch back, okay here. You can hold here. 3, 2, then 1. Exhale, catch the ball, try to touch into chest and stretch your spinal cord muscles. 1, try to make stomach in. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Look straight. Yes, please. Then inhale, bring the ball just from the right side to your front side. Now we need to catch the ball from the center area, okay here. Then separate fingers, remember, grab it properly. Then inhale, bring hands over the head with the ball. Then exhale, go to the left side first, look straight. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, go to the right side. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, go to the left side. Inhale, once again come to center, then exhale to the right side. Then we can hold here. Maximum you can try, okay, here. Maximum 10 seconds, minimum 5 seconds. Inhale, center. Exhale, go to the left side. Maybe it will be quite difficult to hold. We need more stronger shoulders join, okay here. Now slowly come back. Inhale, and then exhale, bring the ball down. Now ball hands, okay here, then walk yourself back, okay here. You can adjust, okay here, place your both palms. So now please adjust your posture. So make sure your back flat and maximum bring your hands up. Then try to touch forehand on the floor. Yes, like you can see. Then inhale, bring the ball to the right side. Exhale, try to touch forehead on the knee. Yes, make stomach in, then keep breathing, okay, remember. Then inhale, bring the ball to the left side here. Same posture, try to touch forehead on your knee. Stomach in, hands still straight. Separate fingers and keep breathing here. Then inhale, come to center. and then exhale. Now bring the ball with the right side wind back, then cross your legs with the left hand, slowly stand and then sit on the ball. You will sit into center on the ball, so remember please, in this time your ankle, your knee should be equal line, your hip and knee joints should be equal line. Goi kochan thang kochan, kochan mam thang mam goi thang hang. Then inhale, bring hands over the head. Exhale, stretch your hands up, thang tai lean, yin lean, tatka. Then keep breathing, you can hold here then exhale down, hands still beside, try to touch into chest, stomach in, and then stretch your spinal cord muscles and keep breathing, lift your chest a little up. Then inhale, center. Then exhale, bend to left side, left hand, thang tai phi. Inhale, center. Exhale, right hand beside to hip, gap tai phi, tai chai quado. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend to left, right hand over the head. One more, inhale, center. Exhale, gap tai phi, tai chai quado, yin chai. Then we can hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to gap tai chai, thang tai phi, nam, bon, ba, high, mod. Then hit, wow, come to center. Then thao, sa, tai chai to chen phi, tai phi behind, mocho, thang tai phi, mam lung thang. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the left side, right hand on your knee, left hand back. Then please try to make shoulders equal line. Inhale, come to center. Then exhale. Once again, inhale, come to center. Then exhale. Slowly, slowly. One more. Inhale, center. Then exhale. Then we can hold. Please remember your hip and spine should be equal line. Try to shoulder joints equal line. Then keep breathing. Then inhale to center. Exhale, just opposite side, please, same posture. Keep breathing. Yes, and then you can count, okay, here. Yes, then keep, now come back, inhale to center. Then exhale, hands down. One posture quite difficult, so please make your foot together, okay, here. Knees together, no gap. Goi kochan thang, goi mam thang. Your knee joint, hip equal line, please. Then inhale, bring the left hand over the head, look straight. Exhale, right hand to your thigh, then please with the right hand the help. Then please slowly try to twist, okay, here. Try to twist your trunk region into 90 degrees, then look straight, then look up maximum, and then you can keep breathing, okay, here. Yes, try to hold here maximum. Then inhale to center. Then exhale, hands down. Now inhale, bring the right hand over the head. Then exhale. Yes, same posture. Yes, please, you can twist here maximum as much you can, okay, remember please. Yes, try to look up, keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Then inhale, center. Then exhale. So now make your both legs straight, please. One front bending, then hit, wow, thigh lean. Thao ra suwang. Thang chan thang lung, gap thigh lean. Tu tu chan chak chan means stretch your legs, stretch your back, stomach in, elbows up. Yes, maximum. Then inhale, center, exhale. So like that, my friends, we can practice with the ball as a basic stretch or basic warm-up. So if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much again. See you. Namaste. Bye bye. Tambien.